Hi guys, I'm Kylie and welcome back for another DIY where we will be making rack or shelf from old boxes. We need two identical boxes. Then stack them up this way. Measure the sides and then cut some illustration boards in accordance of the measurement of the boxes when stacked up. Tape the two identical boxes together using a packaging tape. Tape the illustration boards as you go along to make our DIY rack more durable. Add tape on all sides to make it sturdier and look neater. Add as much tape as needed. Lastly, I wrap it all up using a wallpaper so that it will be waterproof and it will look fancier. We can now put whatever we want on our DIY shelf or DIY rack. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again on my next